Hi guys. Today Apple just announced iOS 14 this morning. Yeah, it just coming out this morning. It's still on the beta one. And yeah, today I just gonna show you how you can install the iOS 14 beta one without developer account. Right, it's pretty easy. You can install it today, right now. It's pretty easy. You just go into Safari and you will have to put this in your address. Safari address is kitiosbeta.com, and it will redirect you to this website, and you just go down until you see the purple one, this purple one. You click on that and it brings you down to this one, and you keep going down. You look for, you're just gonna wait for a couple seconds. You see it's still loading. Yeah, and then you go down and you try to look for this one here. Tap here to download the iOS 14 beta. You just tap on that and you pop that up, and you put it in and you put allow, close it, and you get out there, and then you can come to profile and you tap on that install, because I already installed one, so I don't need to do it again. So you just click on that, install it, and it will ask you to restart your phone, and after you restart it, you come back to this, and then you can just click on Sophie update, and it will give you the update to the iOS 14 developer beta one. Right, I'm not recommend you guys installing that because it's a lot of buggy, but if you guys want to check it out, there's the way to get it. So right, this is the way that you can install iOS 14 in the really early basic. Right, okay, so I'm just gonna put the link in the description below, and yeah, if you can, please like the video and subscribe it. I will bring some more about the iOS 14 features and stuff. Right, okay, you have a good day. Bye.